Meaning of invest.
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 Invest. The term invest generally refers to the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor with the expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit. It typically involves buying assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, or starting a business venture with the hope of generating financial returns in the future. Investment can also refer to the time and effort allocated towards a particular activity or pursuit, with the intention of achieving a desirable outcome. The ultimate goal of investing is usually to increase one's wealth or achieve financial security.